friends, I'm happy to inform you that we were graced by our special guest who have played a key role in supporting innovation and collaboration within the Philippines. And let's call him to give his message of support. He is the chairperson of the Luzon Sub-National Committee and serves as the governor of the province of Camarines Norte and chairperson of the Bicol Regional Development Council for 2022 to 2025. He leads the council in aligning development initiatives across all provinces, ensuring cohesive and strategic planning and implementation. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Governor Ricarte Padilla.
Good morning. Maray na aga sa Indo Gabos. Thank you very much for inviting me here. Sa atin pong Assistant Secretary Agnes Tolentino, DepDev Regional Development Group. Palakpakan po natin siya. Dr. Gisela Concepcion, Executive Member of National Innovation Council. And our very own Director Edna Cynthia Berses, DepDev Region 5 Regional Director. Sa lahat po ng ating Board of Judges, sa lahat po ng members ng Luzon Sub-National Committee, sa lahat po ng atin pong mga regional directors who are present today, and to all my fellow workers in government, again, good morning. As RDC Chair and Luzon Sub-National Committee Chair, it is both an honor and a privilege to join you today for the 2025 Filipinnovation Awards Luzon Sub-National Competition. Held here in Legazpi City, this event is more than a competition. It is a celebration of Filipino ingenuity and the strong spirit of our local communities who are creatively and bravely solve problems that affect their daily lives. As chairperson of the Luzon Sub-National Committee, or LSNC, I am proud that this initiative brings innovation closer to the regions, to the people living, working, and dreaming in our barangays, towns, and provinces. What makes today special are not just the ideas, but the powerful stories behind them. Stories of farmers, educators, students, and entrepreneurs rising to meet real-world challenges with passion and purpose. The Luzon Sub-National Committee is composed of representatives from the Regional Development Councils of Luzon, including Cordillera Administrative Region and regions from 1, 2, 3, 4A, Mimaropa, and Region 5. This reflects our shared commitment to support innovation and development in the regions. Each RDC brings ideas and energy to help make this possible. Together, we are building strong culture of innovation rooted in local needs, while also promoting collaboration across regions. The Luzon Sub-National Committee is more than a decision-making body. It helps grow and strengthen innovation in our communities. This year's theme, food and agribusiness, learning and education, and health and well-being, represent the fundamental needs of every Filipino. I am impressed by how our semifinalists, representing various provinces across Luzon, show that impactful innovation is not limited to big cities or large institutions. Instead, it flourishes in our regions, fueled by local ingenuity and determination. This semifinalist reflect Luzon's rich diversity, not just in geography, but in perspective and approach. We see ideas aimed at making farming more resilient, healthcare more accessible, and education more inclusive. These innovations do not seek fame, but aim to serve communities. They are rooted in everyday experience and bring hope for better living, learning, and caring for one another. As a public servant and fellow Filipino, I believe that innovation must be inclusive, participatory, and responsive. This competition embodies that spirit. That is why the Sub-National Committee remains committed to supporting platforms like this. When we invest in Filipino ideas, we invest in Filipino futures. To our 11 semifinalists, maraming salamat. Your dedication and vision inspire us. Whether you win or not, you have made a meaningful contribution to your communities and to our nation. Please keep building, creating, and collaborating. To our partners and supporters, thank you for nurturing an environment where grassroots innovations can thrive. Your support is vital in strengthening our innovation ecosystem from the ground up. This is the heart of Filipinnovation, unlocking the potential of every Filipino to design and build solutions that matter. I am confident that the Luzon leg of this journey is not just beginning or even greater things to come. Congratulations sa ating mga kalahok at mabuhay ang Filipino innovation. Diyos mabalos, mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, Governor Ricarte R. Padilla. Thank you so much, Gov, for championing innovation, especially in the province of Camarines Norte. Maraming salamat po.